Alright guys, we're going to look at monomials, but specifically when we have binomials, meaning we have two terms inside the brackets. How we deal with that, we use a method called FOIL, and when we FOIL, it means we are just multiplying out the first terms in the bracket, the outer terms in the bracket, the inner terms in the bracket, and the last terms in the bracket. And that's simply it. So we are going to demonstrate that, and basically when we multiply, we still are using a no different approach than to actually multiply by considering the sign, the multiplication of the sign, the multiplication of the number, the multiplication of the letter. It's still pretty much the distributive law that we are applying with SNL. So let's do this. Let's look at this. So there we have it. This is obviously the bracket. It's a monomial. It's a bracket. It's a monomial. It makes the entire thing a monomial. But inside each individual bracket, we can see that there are two terms, which means this is a binomial inside the bracket, and inside the other bracket, it's a binomial. And that's what we mean by this. So basically what we do is we apply FOIL. So we multiply the first terms in each bracket, which means x times x, and we know that x times x is x squared, right? Then we multiply the outer terms, meaning x and positive 7. The positive times a positive is a positive. 1 times 7, remember there's a invisible 1 there. 1 times 7 is 7, and then the x, the letter, which is x, combined with the 7. Then we multiply the inner terms. A positive times a positive is a positive. 2 times 1 gives us 2 with the number, and then the letter x, which is just going to be combined because multiplication combines a letter and a number. Then the last terms, 2 times 7, positive times a positive is a positive. 7 times 2 is 14, and there's no letter, so therefore we leave it such. Then after that, what we do is we make sure we check our terms. How many terms do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, because a plus and a minus separates terms. Then we see we have like terms, so 7x plus 2x we can add together. When we add like terms, we keep the variable and we add and subtract the coefficient. So positive 7 plus 2 gives us plus 9x plus 14. We leave our answer like this. We cannot go on any further, and that's basically how we deal with this type of question.